The Gel-Kayano 27 is designed to create a smooth and cushioned ride. The Gel-Kayano series has become the blueprint for core runners seeking stability and premium comfort. A more segmented heel design improves cushioning at foot strike, while the lower density Flight Foam Propel midsole increases shock absorption throughout a runner's gait. This material is softer in the women's model to accommodate the biomechanical differences in various body types. The forefoot implements deeper flex grooves than the previous version to increase flexibility. IGS Impact Guidance System is a design philosophy that links specific technologies within the Gel-Kayano 27. The first stage of IGS occurs when the gel technology cushioning is engaged in the heel to reduce shock from impact. Guidance line is designed to decrease the rate of pronation while helping their feet move more consistently throughout their stride. The dynamic DuoMax support system guides the runner's foot through their stride and reduces the foot's pronounced inward roll, creating a smooth transition at the flat foot stage. Finally, forefoot gel technology cushioning is placed underneath the big toe joint to increase shock absorption and improve comfort.